The outrage on social media against toxic work culture and overwhelming workload that turned fatal for 26-year-old Anna Sebastian Perial of Ernst & Young India, several lawmakers have decided to take up the matter in the upcoming parliament session. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor took to social media platform X and confirmed his conversation with Anna's father, who is still trying to deal with their grief of the daughter's sudden demise. Shashi Tharoor said that Anna's father urged him to raise the matter in the parliament against excruciating work hours so that there is a work-life balance. Congress MP Tharoor concurred that there should be a fixed 8-hour work schedule for 5 days a week, as inhumanity at any workplace must be dealt with action. Now, while Tharoor, after an emotional conversation with Anna's father, agreed to take this issue up during the next session of the parliament, Rahul Gandhi also spoke with Anna's family and assured that he would work towards creating awareness against toxic work culture at top corporate houses. Earlier, while speaking with Mirror Now, Shiv Sena UBT leader Priyanka Chaturvedi had also assured of bringing in a private member's bill in the Rajya Sabha over how corporate giants exploit young employees in India. NCP SP leader and parliamentarian Supriya Sule has also questioned the existing work culture at workplaces and has appealed for a thorough probe into this matter. In fact, she encouraged to have a united front and fight against such practices across organizations.
बहुत दुख की घटना है, हुई कैसे ये? इस पे पूरी चिंता होनी चाहिए और इसकी इंक्वायरी भी होनी चाहिए, इसीलिए मैंने ट्वीट भी किया है और मैंने सरकार से भी बात की है और हमारी सबकी कोशिश है कि हर नागरिक का मान सम्मान होना ही चाहिए और किसी पे भी अन्याय हो तो उसके खिलाफ हम सब ने समाज मिलकर लड़ना चाहिए।
Shashi Tharoor had a word with Anna's father, and her father requested Shashi Tharoor regarding the work culture in the corporates as well as the public sector. He mentioned that there should be fixed timings, fixed calendars in public and private sectors so that the people who are working there, they can have balanced life, and that's what was the suggestion of Anna's father, and that has also been promised by Tharoor is what we are coming to know. Even Rahul Gandhi has mentioned that he will not only raise this as a leader of opposition but also as a leader from Congress. The Congress party will take this matter ahead and they will create awareness programs in this regards. Earlier, Priyanka Chaturvedi has also mentioned the same, that she will also talk about this in the parliament, and private member bill in Lok Sabha she will try to bring in, and that's what is coming to fore in terms of the political parties which are there. They are talking about in the case of Anna's death.